Hey guys, today I have a makeup haul for you. I'm really excited. Some of this stuff is mine, some of it's giveaways, and some of it is birthday presents, so let's just get started. So first I did an order with Lebang Body, and I got two things that are presents. I got two of the strawberry bundles. These are for my friends. They both had birthdays in July. One's already been, one's coming up. But I didn't like, it was so hard because I was like, oh my god, there's so many different scents, and I was like, I don't know what to choose. Like if it had been up to me, I probably would have chosen vanilla, but I was like, I know it's like quite sweet and not everyone likes sweet stuff, so I was like, I'm just gonna get strawberry because I feel like that's quite safe. But anyway, in the bundle you just get a fluffy body scrub, a hydrating oil, looks like that, and then just a whipped soap. And then the little bag as well. So I just got two of those, one for each of my friends, so hopefully they like them. Yeah, I was so stuck on what scent to get. I was like, scent is such a subjective thing, but I was like, I feel like strawberry is pretty safe. I feel like you don't really hear of people hating strawberry too often. Like it's usually like they hate vanilla or they hate like watermelon or whatever. So I was like, I'm just gonna get some strawberry. I feel like that's the safest option, so hopefully they like them. But yeah, I was like, I can't get two different scents because then I'm gonna have to try and choose which one to give to who, and I'm like, I'm just gonna get the same scent and just hope that they like them. So yeah, I got those for my friends, and then I ordered some wax melts. I don't actually have a wax melter yet, but I'm planning on getting one. So I got 4. And they all smell so good. And they're quite cheap compared to the candles as well. So I just think they're such a good idea. But this one here is Blueberry Muffin, which is one of my favourite scents. Oh, it smells like so amazing. This is a new one called Vanilla Ice Cream, and this smells absolutely divine. Oh my god, I love it. It is so sweet and so amazing. Then I also got Musk Sticks. The candle of this is always sold out, so I was like, I'm gonna get the melt. It smells so good. It smells exactly like Musk Sticks. I want to eat it. Then the last one I got is Watermelon Burst. Oh, so good. I love it. Okay, so that was everything I got from Lebang. And yeah, I love them. I'm so excited. Next I did a Morphe order because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's actually going up today. It'll already be up by the time you're watching this, so make sure you go check that out. But the first thing I got was the I think it's Ziegler, the Imagination palette. I'm still deciding if I should buy this for myself. Do you guys want to see a review or not? So many people requested for it to be in the giveaway, so I was like, yeah, sure. The palette is actually like so cute. I actually really like it. And then the inside, it looks like this. It's actually like such a stunning palette. It's very versatile. There's so many like different kind of tones. I feel like none of them are similar. So you've got kind of like a smoky row down here, very colourful, and then like a kind of like soft glam couple of rows. I don't know, I just think this palette is really, really pretty. So let me know if you guys want to see, like if I should buy this myself and do a review, or if you guys aren't really interested. But anyway, I got that one for the giveaway. I got the Eye Stunners 6-piece eye brush collection. You guys are always asking for brush sets. I'll take it out of the plastic. I can figure out how to open it. So it just looks like this. I think they've actually changed the bag for this. I feel like it used to be a bit softer and now it's kind of more textured, but anyway, this is it. It's just 6 eye brushes. That's how they look there on the back. It comes with a oval shadow brush, crease fluff brush, deluxe blender brush, pencil crease brush, bent liner brush, angle liner / spoolie brush, and the small black bag. So yeah, got that. I also got the Morphe X Coca-Cola. This is called the Quench Pack, sorry, and this has 4 sponges in it. I thought this would be a good idea because you guys are asking for brushes and blenders and all that kind of stuff, so this one gives you 4 different options. Also for the giveaway, I got the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Volume 2 one. This is like one of my all-time favourite palettes from Morphe. Oh, look at it, it's so stunning. I love it. Okay, so yeah, I got that, so you guys will be able to enjoy that. I also got the 35F Fall Into Frost palette. Let's have a look at her. I do like to go through and make sure that they're all okay. It's got the new Morphe packaging on it. Oh, and that's so pretty. This is the one that has heaps of shimmers. It's so stunning. So you guys might enjoy that. Something a bit more neutral. I feel like the rest of the palettes I've got are quite colourful, so you've got one neutral. And then the last thing I got for the giveaway is the James Charles palette. This is just the mini one, but I feel like it's good to, I like to get the mini so I have that extra 20 bucks or whatever to spend on something else, because I feel like you guys still get to enjoy the shadows. I feel like no one is gonna ever go through the James Charles palette. So yeah, I like to usually buy the mini one so I can spend like, yeah, the extra 20 bucks on something else so you guys get a bit more variety. But here it is here, it's so cute, love it. So yeah, that is everything that I got for the giveaway, so if you're interested in that, go check it out. There'll be a YouTube video about it, and there will also be the Instagram post. So yeah, go check it. And then the last few things are from a Sephora order I did for myself. I'm really excited. This is from their 20% off sale, something I think it is. The first thing I got is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Fix Complexion Duo. I'm actually really excited for this. You get a travel size face primer and setting powder. Oh my god, they must be tiny. But this was only like 30 bucks or something, so... Ah, that's so small, look at it! It is tiny, but I honestly don't care, because I feel like I like to buy small things first, and then if I really like it, I can go buy it again. But yeah, this is the Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. It's so small, like it's so tiny, but it's so cute. And then the other thing is the Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder, and it kind of looks like it has a glow to it almost. I don't know, I don't want to open it because I don't want it to spill, but you see how it kind of has like a gold kind of colour? But yeah, anyway, I'm really excited for that. I'm definitely going to try those out in some videos because I've actually never tried anything from Marc Jacobs before, so... It says Skin Smoothing Seamless Setting Coconut Delight, which sounds amazing if I'm being honest. I also bought the new Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. I am so excited for this. I love my Natasha Denona products. This is how it looks here. It's so stunning! So pretty. Love it. The one thing I did realise is it doesn't have very many mattes. It's got 5 mattes out of the whole palette. So 5 out of 15, which I'm like... I don't know. We'll see how it goes anyway. I'll do a review on it, but I know I'm kind of already going to love it. And then I also got the Novena 4. I'm so excited. I definitely chose the right time to buy these because they were all 20% off, so I saved myself a couple of bucks. And I've also got another order with them, and also a makeup order coming, so there'll probably be another haul soon. But anyway, this is the Anastasia Novena 4. I feel like mine is a bit... Is it how it's meant to go? No, I think mine's like broken. Can you see like how it has like how it lifts up there? And this side doesn't? Like that side's flush and then this side it kind of like bends. You can... I don't know, that's weird. Oh wait, was it just the plastic? Hang on, let me take the plastic out and see. No, it's still like not 100% flush. I don't know, anyway. This is how the palette looks. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait to do a review on this. I'm actually so excited. Wow, love it. So I got that. And then the last thing was a free gift. You got a free little face roller with purchase. I actually don't know how to use this thing, but it came in this cute as little like what material is this? Kind of like not velvet, but like I don't know, feels like a teddy bear, and it's actually so cute. And you know what, I feel like I should use this as like a glasses case because it's cute. But anyway, so you get this little face roller and it's just black and gold and it feels so nice, but I actually don't know how you use these things. I know they're for skincare, but anyway, so if someone knows how to use it, tell me please. But yeah, I think that was everything that I got. As I said, I did a Mecca order and another Sephora order. I can't actually even remember what I got out of my second Sephora order. I feel like I need to check. And I can't really exactly remember what I got out of my Mecca order either. I don't want to tell you guys because I want it to be a surprise for when I do my second order, but I mean my second haul. Oh. Okay. I thought I bought more, but anyway. I'm kind of like, oh. Expected. I thought I bought more, but anyway. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to see reviewed first, and make sure you enter the giveaway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye!